Let's get your business in order and talk about the top 5 legal things you may need for your business. Welcome and hello, my name is Erica Richey and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. Now for all my startup entrepreneurs, in order to best serve our audience, we have to make sure that we have all our ducks in a row. So today we're going to be talking about the top 5 legal things you may need to get your business started or to make sure that your business is operating smoothly. So number one is your LLC. What's an LLC, you may ask? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. So basically an LLC provides protection to the LLC owners from the owner's own personal liability. Generally, how this works out is that business debts stay to the business and it doesn't typically attack the owner's personal asset. An LLC can get a little pricey depending on your state because it costs about $100 to $300. But again, it's all just depends on what state you start your business in. So for instance, I know like California and New York, their LLC costs are way higher than the costs here in like Georgia or Pennsylvania where I've worked with clients at before. I also want to mention that an LLC is not your only option when registering your business with the state. You could also do like a sole prop, or you could also do like a sole proprietor or other options. However, today we're just going to talk simply about LLC. But if you want to see some more of those options, comment down below and let me know that you're interested in it. Also, if you already have your LLC established, comment down below and let us know so we can give you some props and some congratulations for taking that first big step of starting your business. So number 2 is your EIN. I think it's super important for your business to establish your EIN. The EIN is your employer identification number. It's a 9-digit number that is generated by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. But your EIN is so important because it can help with a lot of different things. Like for instance, setting up a business bank account, applying for business licenses, and filing your tax returns. And I think it is also important to mention that your EIN is 100% free. You can simply go on the IRS website and file for one. And if you filed for an EIN online before, then you may need to fax or mail in your EIN application for your new business that you're starting up. Now, talking about business bank accounts, that brings us right on to number 3. Number 3 is having a business bank account. Now, a business bank account is just like your personal bank account. So we won't even go into what it is, but we'll talk about why you need it. Why is it important to establish a business bank account? And in simple terms, it's important to establish a business bank account because it separates your personal assets from your business assets, your personal revenue from your business revenue. Because not all my entrepreneurs are only working for themselves. A lot of us are working 9-to-5s as well. This is a great way to separate that money and also a great way to keep track of our business transactions. Now, a business bank account can range into different monthly fees depending on which bank you choose to go with. However, if you're looking for a cheaper option, and sometimes they can even be free, I would suggest looking into a credit union business bank account and seeing what they have to offer. But we can get more deep and down into business bank accounts. If you're interested in that, just comment down below and let me know if you want me to break down some of the best business bank accounts I've seen over the years. And number 4 is you want to secure your business licenses. Yes, licenses with a S at the end, because woo, there be a couple of them. But business licenses, because woo child, there be a couple of them. But business licenses all depend on what state you live in, what county, sometimes what city. It just depends on where your business is located. So for section number 4 about business licenses, this includes your permits, your licenses, your certifications, all that are state regulated or city regulated, county regulated, however you want to call it. Now, this requires you to do some research because you want to see where your business is located and what that county and state and city require from you to operate that business in that place. Now, I can't really give you the prices on this because everything is so different. The prices in my county may be different than the prices in my cousin's county because we live in 2 separate counties, 2 separate cities, and then I also have a cousin that started a business and we live in 2 separate states, so I can't give y'all the prices because they just vary all around the range. However, that's why it's important for you to do your research so you know what you're up against. So let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is your trademark. You want to secure your trademark. What's a trademark? It's a phrase, a symbol, a logo, a name, anything that can distinguish and identify your brand. So the trademark process can be a difficult one, but it can last you for about 10 years before you have to reapply for that trademark. Now, do I think you need to rush out and go get you a trademark today? No way. But I think that it's important that you search the trademark database to make sure that you aren't using a name of a business that is already utilized or that has a trademark already set for it, so you won't run into any troubles once you start your business. Now, I do think it's important that once you see your business start growing, that you start applying for trademarks. Once you start making a little bit of profit that you can afford to pay for your trademark, I think it's important for you to invest in a registration for your trademark and a lawyer to help you fill out that registration, because your trademark registration can get really tricky and you want to make sure that you have all your ducks in a row and you cross all your T's and dot all your I's. Now, why is it important to have a trademark? Because your trademark is what's going to help you protect your brand. Trademarks provide so much brand protection, and it grants you exclusive rights to your brand name, your logo, whatever you decide to actually trademark. So the starting price for an average trademark is about $275, and it can range up to $500. So yes, it's a pretty penny, but it's definitely worth it. So once you start growing your business, I think that you should invest in a trademark. So what are the top 5 things that you need for your business? So you need your LLC, your EIN, your business bank account, your business licenses and permits, and you should start thinking about a trademark. So what I need you to do is hit that like button if you found any of these tips helpful, or you want to know more about any of these tips. Make sure you comment down below and let me know. So thank you so much for watching. So now that you know all this legal stuff, just you checking out this video over here, and if you've already seen that one, YouTube recommends you watch this one. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Erica Richey, and I can't wait to watch you grow.